How to unlock Snapchat account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can unlock your Snapchat account. That is how you can appeal for a locked account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up a web browser. On your web browser, simply search for help.snapchat.com. After you search for help.snapchat.com, you'll be on this section. Now what you'll need to do is you'll need to choose your shortcut, that is I can't access my account. Head over to that very option and there you should see a lot of different options. Now choose any one of these. You can see my account is deactivated. You get an error message, your account is compromised, your account is locked. Choose any one of these. So let me just choose my account is temporarily disabled. So here what you'll need to do is you'll need to choose an option. So scroll down till you find was this article helpful. Tap on no. Now simply tap on this article didn't answer my question or solve my problem and tap on submit. After you tap on submit, it should give you an option to type in your answers, your questions. So if one of these options does not give you that section, what you do is you'll just have to choose another option. So okay, there we go. Here you will see contact support. Here tap on contact support here, and after you're on submit a request section, this is the page that we'll actually want to be on. So right here, simply choose any one of these and it should take you to this option again. Let me just head over here, choose my account was compromised, and right there what you can do is you can tap on click here to contact our support team. Tap on it, open it up, and there you should get an option to submit your ticket. So right here you will see you will have to fill out this form. So all you have to do now is fill in your username for your Snapchat, your email associated to your Snapchat, your mobile number which should also be associated to your Snapchat, and now finally you can appeal your unlock for Snapchat account here. So all you have to do is, since you've already given up your username and email password, email and phone number, type in your issue here. You can even put in some screenshots and then tap on submit. And that is basically how you unlock Snapchat account, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.